Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some large DIYs using these large signs from the Dollar Tree. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Alright, so I'm going to start with my first project from Dollar Tree. I will be using one of these large signs, which I absolutely love. I love this natural wood color. You can make so many different things with these. And 4 of these beautiful wall decor signs that have these little hooks. 2 of them say Simply Blessed and the other 2 say Bless This House. So I'm going to start by removing the back paper, which is actually screwed to these little wall decor signs. And then I'm going to remove the sawtooth hooks and the other little hooks. Now I'm going to save everything because I am going to put these back later on. Even though these already look so nice like these, I decided to just paint over them now so I didn't have to go like 3 or 4 coats to cover the white letters. I am going to just sand these down just a little bit. I tried to, and as you can see, it kind of didn't work. Now to paint these, I am going to mix brown paint and black, just because the wood color on these signs is like a little bit dark brown or black and brown, something like that. For the letters, I will be using the Dollar Tree wood letters. I thought of doing home first, but then I was like, I'm gonna do keys since I am going to hang my keys here, and I will be using this in my entryway. I'm going to paint the letters white, and then I'm going to glue these to the little wall decors. Now, I didn't notice that they had different designs until I was about to glue the letters. So I decided to do one design and then the other and then one and then the other. And look how beautiful they look. Now I'm going to just glue these to the wood sign, and I'm only using hot glue since I am not planning to add anything heavy to these. Now, if you decide to use these as something else, I actually do recommend you using a heavier duty glue. Now I'm going to add the hooks. Now, so they can be nice and even, I am going to mark where the center of the letters are with the pencil, and then I'm going to add the hooks. I did have to add a pieces of wood underneath because of the little hook at the bottom. Now, in order for them to stay in place, I did add a little bit of hot glue, but just so it doesn't move while I'm adding the little screws. I thought of using the drill first, but it was kind of hard, so I did have to use the little hand screw. And to make it easier to screw them first, I did use some scissors to make the holes first. To finish this off, I'm going to add 2 soft hooks on the back, and that is it for this beautiful key holder sign. For my next DIY, I will be using another beautiful large Dollar Tree sign. I decided to cover the little holes using this wood filler that I got probably like a year ago. It was kind of old, but I think it still works. I will be making a white rectangle, so I'm using the Dollar Tree painter's tape. And this is the other little house that I will be using. I actually got this the beginning of the year. It was a little calendar little house that had the little blocks, which those little blocks I use in a Valentine DIY video. Once it's dry, I'm going to just carefully remove the tape, and then I'm going to use a sand sheet to just sand out the little part where I use the, not the wood glue. Wood glue? No. The wood filler. There you go. The next thing I will be doing is working on the little house, and I'm going to paint this white. And I wanted to add a heart in the center because of the decal I'm using. I think it was perfect with that. And I'm using this little wood heart that I got from a pack from Hobby Lobby. Dollar Tree does carry hearts that you can use instead. And I'm going to paint it using the Waverly chalk paint in the color Steel. And before I add the little heart, I am going to just wrap around some jute twine to the little house with a little jute twine bow. I then decided to add this beautiful heart to the gray heart, and I think this made it look so much better. Now I'm going to just add this to the center of my house. And after I was done gluing the heart, I still felt like the house needed something else, so I decided to paint the roof using the Waverly chalk paint and the color Steel. Honestly, I think this made it look so much better. Now that everything's dry, I'm going to just glue the little house right on top of the bunny. And look how beautiful this looks. Now you can add whatever you like to this. I decided to add this wall decal that I got from the Dollar Tree. It says, "This is us. Our home, our story, our love," something like that, which I think it goes so perfect on this sign, and it goes perfect with that little house on the side. So that is it for this beautiful home decor sign. For my next DIY, I'm going to make a larger sign, so I will be using 2 of these beautiful wood signs. To attach these together, I'm using these large popsicle sticks that I got from Walmart. I'm going to just glue these to the back. Now you can grab like another sign and cover the bunnies and the holes, but I decided to just cut these off, and I'm using my little handsaw, which I absolutely love. I'll have it linked down in my description box in case you want to check it out. Now I wanted to add like 2 white stripes, so I decided to just add them on each end, and I'm using the painter's tape. And because I didn't want to waste more of my painter's tape, I decided to do one side first, and then once that was dry, I removed the tape and then used the same tape on the other side. Look how beautiful this sign is. Now you can add whatever you like to this. You can use your Cricut, use poster sticker letters, or you can use more of the Dollar Tree wall decals. I am using this one that says faith. It doesn't make things easy, it makes them possible. Luke 1:37. I got this from Dollar Tree, by the way. Now this is a large sign, and I did put my decal like more towards the bottom because I know I wanted to add something at the bottom, something greenery. I thought of first putting like one of the little box wood crates from the Dollar Tree, but then I was like, no, so many people do these signs, so I decided to just add some Dollar Tree, or actually this is not from Dollar Tree, this beautiful Walmart pick that cost me $1, and I just cut some stems off, just tie them in the center, glue them, and then add a bow. The ribbon I'm using to make this beautiful bow is from Dollar General. It was $1.50. And that is it for this beautiful wall decor sign. For my next DIY, I will not be using one of the Dollar Tree signs. Instead, I'm going to use this little planter. It's actually not a planter. It is a watering can that I'm going to just make it into a planter. Now, I also got this from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to paint the bottom, so I'm using some of the Dollar Tree painter's tape. So because this isn't like round, when I put the tape, it wouldn't go straight, so I did have to just tape it piece by piece. And then I used some white chalk paint to paint this. I didn't take the time to make the line very straight, so my line came out a little bit crooked, and to cover that up, I decided to just wrap around some jute twine. And add a jute twine bow to this. The greenery I will be using, I got it from Walmart. It was $3.47. Now I have used this greenery already. I did cut some stems off. That's why it doesn't look so full, but I think it still looks beautiful in this planter. And that is it, guys. I really hope you guys find these large wall decor signs because they are perfect to make so many different DIYs. And I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.